Good afternoon, Namaskar. The Earth News Ladakh Bulletin welcomes you all, friends. So, friends, here are the today's Ladakh news. Union Minister for Culture and Tourism Gajendra Singh Shekhawat described the upcoming sacred exposition of the holy relics of Lord Buddha in Ladakh as a historic initiative for global peace, announcing that for the first time in India, the revered relics preserved in their original repository will be brought out for the public exposition. Addressing the curtain raiser at the National Museum, the Union Minister underlined that the exposition of the sacred relics of Buddha would serve as a powerful medium to spread the universal message for peace, harmony and compassion. In the presence of LG of Ladakh, Vinay Kumar Saxena, he stressed that the teachings of the Lord Buddha, rooted in non-violence, inner awakening and empathy, carry profound relevance in today's world marked by uncertainty and conflict, highlighting Ladakh's significance as a vibrant center of Buddhist heritage. Shekhawat said the mega spiritual event would not only offer a rare opportunity for devotees and visitors to engage in spiritual reflections, but also provide a major boost to cultural tourism in the region. In a successful action against drug trafficking and illegal activities, police post Khangral during routine Naka checking at the late evening hours intercepted a tempo traveller bearing registration number JK10A5584. During the checking, one individual identified as Ravi Kumar, son of Kamal Kumar, resident of Chamba, Himachal Pradesh, was found in possession of approximately 120 grams of ganja along with the 2 bottles of liquor suspected to have been brought from outside the UT. Acting swiftly, the police team headed by Police Post Khangral ASI Mohammad Hussain seized the contraband substance and the liquor on the spot, and the accused was taken into custody. In this regard, FIR under relevant sections of the NDPS was registered at Police Station Wakha. Further investigation into the case is underway to ascertain the source and intended destination of the seized contraband. Former Ambassador P. Stobdan, a veteran diplomat and noted authority on Himalayan strategic affairs, was cremated with full state honours at his residence in Fee, with senior officials and residents gathering to bid a formal farewell. A guard of honour was presented during the funeral, underscoring official recognition of his service to the nation. The ceremony was attended by the Chief Secretary and the Director General of the Police of Ladakh, along with the senior officials and civil police officers who laid wreath and paid homage. The turnout reflected both administrative and public acknowledgement of Stobdan's standing as one of the Ladakh's prominent voices in strategic and diplomatic circles. His passing has been widely felt across the UT, where he remained closely associated with public discourse even after his tenure in service. A weekly outreach camp under the Khidmat-e-Awam initiative organized at Tungri Panchayat in Zanskar, bringing a range of government services directly to the residents, while also serving as a platform for the readdressal of the local grievances, held under the direction of the Deputy Commissioner and Chief Executive Officer of the LHDC Kargil and supervised by the Sub-Divisional Magistrate of Zanskar. The camp saw coordinated participation from the multiple departments aimed at enhancing public access to welfare schemes. Officials from the Revenue Department issued scheduled tribe certificates, land revenue certificates and carried out ration card verifications. Simultaneously, the Health Department conducted medical screenings and facilitated the generation of the health cards for beneficiaries. LG of Ladakh inaugurated a captivating light and sound show at the iconic Leh Palace alongside Union Minister of Tourism and Culture Shri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. The immersive audiovisual spectacle narrates the palace centuries-old legacy, drawing visitors into Ladakh's royal history and rich cultural heritage. LG praised the Ministry of Culture and Archaeological Survey of India for their dedicated conservation efforts. This will become a major tourist draw and propel nighttime tourism in Ladakh, he stated. So friends, we will meet later with more updates and information. Thank you so much. Good afternoon.
The reason I chose SP Smart School is because it prepared me for my boards examination as well as for my competitive examinations. The previous year results have been a testament of this statement. With over 18 positions, 700 distinctions and the UT topper being from our school is our huge pride. The results of the competitive examinations have also been commendable. The students who are not a part of SP Smart School program have no idea what they are missing out on.
Transforming education through life skills and lifestyle learning.
Beyond books, excellence in sports, NCC and co-curricular activities.
At Kingstar, every facility speaks of quality and commitment. From professional cricket grounds to advanced indoor setups, Kingstar provides everything a young sportsperson needs to perform at the highest level. With commerce and humanities, we lay the foundation of careers in finance, business, and the social and governance sector, building leaders in finance and business, shaping leaders in society and governance. Highest positions in boards and competitive. NEET Sure for medical students, GE Sure for non-medical students, and direct programs for commerce and arts.
Turning medical dreams into NEET success. 100 plus SP Smartians on the path to becoming doctors.
Admissions are open for classes 11 and 12 in medical, non-medical, arts and commerce streams. SP Smart School. Visit our campuses to register.